So guys, next in this jump statement is the pass statement. Now Python pass statement is used specifically when a statement is required syntactically, but you do not want any command or code to execute. Yeah. So you want the statement to be available syntactically. So you need it in a syntax, but you do not want to execute it. So it is a null operation. Nothing happens when it executes. Python pass statement is also useful in places where your code will eventually go, but has not been written yet. That is probably in stubs. Yeah. Yeah. So let me show you an example. Yeah. Uh, I have, let's use the same example of Python that we have used earlier for letters. Pass statement using for. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll say for letter in Python, if letter equals to H, it will pass. Let's say pass, and it will print this is pass block. Yes. Or it will say print current letter, and lastly it will say print. Yes. Let's run this code. Let's see what happens. What does it produce? Yeah. See this? So it is printing everything. And this is just getting into the particular pass block. Yeah. And it is printing everything. Yeah. So when the code is executed, it provides you with this particular output. Yeah. So it prints that statement as well, passes that particular block so that it doesn't execute those codes. Yeah. So let's now we can also have an infinite loop with of the pass. For instance, if you want to code an infinite loop that does nothing each time through, do it with a pass. So I'll say if I want to run an infinite loop uh, with while. Okay. So I have just one code, that is while true. If it is true, just pass. I do not want anything to get executed. It will keep on running till I cut this particular code. Yeah, so it is getting executed continuously. Cut, then I have to move out of this loop. Yeah. So this is how a pass statement is used. Now, using ellipses as pass statement alternative in Python 3.x, uh, it allows ellipses code as three consecutive dots. Yeah, to be used in place of pass statement. So you can use three consecutive dots as well. Yeah. So since Python 3.x. So what you can do is, let me put this as text. So Python 3.x allows ellipses code as three consecutive dots. So what happens is, suppose I have a def function. Yeah. One. Yeah. I do not have anything in this particular function. So I'll just put three dots. Yeah. I'll have a another function, excuse me. Yes, I can have this three dot on the same line as well. So let me run this, run both the functions. Here also it will execute nothing because there's nothing in those functions. Yeah. So, we can create a function which does not do anything, especially for code to be filled in later. Then we can make use of it. Because if I define a function and do not put anything in it, see what happens. Yeah, it comes up with an error. So I can have these three dots here so that the function can execute smoothly at a later state. If you want to add any code in that particular statement, you can add it. Yeah. And calling those functions will definitely do nothing. Yeah. So this is how functions can be, pass statement could be used in while loop, for loop, as well as an ellipsis code, three dots, which can be used as pass. Yeah. Hope this is helpful for you when you are doing any type of coding. Yeah. And this makes your coding much better. Thank you so much.